Batelco Smart Property Solutions is a multifunctional digital tool that allows both property owners and tenants manage their devices and energy consumption from a single integrated platform. So how does it work? The platform allows tenants to smartly control their devices in their homes with a click of a button. They can remotely adjust their AC, switch on their lights, or even open their curtains. But the functionality doesn't stop there. First and foremost, Batelco Smart Property Solutions are geared towards monitoring energy consumption, dealing with tenant complaints, and maintaining building integrity with a series of tools that help property owners effortlessly manage their facility from wherever they are. From the energy consumption portal, property owners can track the energy utilization trends of their building and even individual apartments, set caps on energy utilization of individual apartments, track individual appliances like AC, water heaters and refrigerators' energy consumption to diagnose and repair any faults early. Set up reminders for unused appliances in unoccupied apartments to be switched on and off at set intervals to ensure they remain in working condition. From the property management portal, property owners can manage tenant complaints from a central platform, dispatching technicians and managing issues as they arise. Communicate with their tenants on a dedicated, secure digital channel. Maintain their properties remotely, especially in conditions of high temperature and humidity where weather conditions can lead to the degradation of a building's integrity. Batelco's Smart Home solution helps building owners increase their property value and energy efficiency to retain and attract tenants. With a single click of a button, all the lights and appliances can be turned off. Looking to get started? Call 101 or visit batelco.com/business.